那我们的 so together with 咳 and so 咳嗽咳嗽 so this is so cough cough. Yes, better cover your mouth when you cough. 咳嗽。咳 and so normally used together. 咳 cough. The radical, both of them radical is 口字旁 something related to the mouth. The most common character related to 口 is 吃、喝、插、咬 and 品。品 three mouths. Bite little by little. Don't swallow it. 品慢慢品 to taste it slowly. There are total 332 Chinese characters associated with 口 as radical. Look at the similar words. This so is 漱 to gargle. 漱口 gargle your mouth. 说 read as 说 咳嗽. This word seldom used 说. Let's look at the sentence and vocab related to so very few. 咳嗽 cough. 咳 and so both means cough. So 咳嗽糖 cough drops 糖 sugar or candy or the cough candies. So see you next lesson. 再见。